Amrita Nadi is the heart on the right side, and that is the seat of the source, the seat of consciousness. It is the inner sun which is behind, but of course the problem is that there are many clouds. There is the subconsciousness and all the energy locks, the energy systems which are locked or closed or blocked or tensed or stressed. And for the average human being, this inner sun is open only 4%. So it means that 96% is the solar eclipse. So barely the sun is visible just behind that eclipse for the average human being. And thus all the attention and focus is absorbed into more limited energy fields, into the mental energies. So thus the goal is to reopen this Amrita Nadi, the heart on the right. The reopening is a process of deconditioning and deconstructing the mental structures. The mental structures and identifications. Ego is nothing, just an identification with something usually negative. And then the mind is all the rest identifications, which can be even positive identifications. This is the root cause of all the problems of humanity for the last few thousand years. 99% of all problems have arose because of that. And this is why it's called a dark age, Kali Yuga, dark age. And this is now why we entered into the new age, into the Aquarian age, into the golden age. And this is why this knowledge is being brought back more and more, clearer and clearer. The root cause of the dark age, the root cause of all the problems of humanity. The inner sun is your consciousness. It's the source. It's the radiance, the bliss, the happiness. The freedom is eternal, it's now. It's beyond time and space, beyond past, future. So now, since you have come to know the root cause of all problems, of why not everybody is enlightened, why nobody is asking that, is because there evidently is a problem. So even spirituality as such has been also confused and twisted upside down. That enlightenment is something of a superhuman ability, and all the rest are normal people. Well, it's the way around. Enlightenment is actually normal state, natural state, and everybody else is sick. Enlightenment is nothing really special. It is normal, natural, to be open, to have no identification, to be not limited, just becoming fully normal, natural, real, not misidentified, not being sick or limited or blocked energetically. So this is a very important clarification, that full consciousness is actually being healthy, is being consciously healthy.